This is how to make detergent soap or soap with high cleaning power. So if you want to make soap like this, make sure you watch the video to the end so that you properly understand, and put down on the comment section whatever you do not understand. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post, you'll be among the first to be notified. So let's dive into the practical. Let's establish the ingredients for this production. Palm kernel oil 900 ml, and pour it into the plastic that we'll be using for the production. Let's measure out our caustic soda, soda ash, and calcium carbonate. That is our filler. We are using 100 grams of calcium carbonate in this production. Calcium carbonate make the soap to feel heavy and stronger, while soda ash increases the cleaning power of the soap. Soda ash and caustic soda almost do the same work. They are used for cleaning, but when you add two of them together, it increases the cleaning power of the soap. Let's measure out our water for the production. We will be dissolving the 127 grams of caustic soda into 500 ml of water. Stir and make sure it dissolves properly before adding the calcium carbonate. When you add the calcium carbonate, the heat from the caustic soda will make the carbon carbonate to dissolve faster. Stir very well and set aside for it to cool down before we start using it. Check it very well and make sure there's no lumps in the down of the plastic. Now we use another 500 ml of water to dissolve 127 grams of soda ash. Pour the water and stir very well. Soda ash takes longer time to dissolve in water, so stir very well and make sure all the particles dissolve properly before setting aside. When you mix caustic soda, it will make your soap to clean tough stains in clothes because soda ash is a cleaning agent and caustic soda is also a cleaning agent. So when you use both of them, it makes your soap to be able to clean tough stains in clothes. It's time to start mixing. I'm using color in this production. So I add my color inside the oil, then stir it together. You can still make this soap without adding any color. But I just decide to add color in this production. Add the color to your own satisfaction. Stir very well after adding the color and make sure the color mixes with the oil properly before you start adding caustic soda or any other ingredients. You have to stir for a longer time to avoid lumps in your soup. After the color have dissolved properly, then add your caustic soda and stir. You have to pour it little by little and stir. Stir properly before adding any other ingredients. So this is a cold process soap making. When you are making this soap, make sure your caustic soda cools down to body temperature before you start using it. Don't use it when it is very hot. Allow it to cool down to body temperature to where you can even touch the plastic and know that it is within body temperature before you start using. It's time to add soda ash. Add soda ash little by little and stir. Don't pour it at once Just pour and stir. Soda ash increases the cleaning power of soap. Soda ash also increases the volume of soap batter. When you are making soap and you add soda ash, you discover you have more batch of soap. Stir properly so that all the ingredients mixes together. The soap batter is still thick, so I have to add some water to make it free. This is why palm oil is very good in making soap, because you can actually add more water after making your soap and the water will not separate. Like in other oil, when you finish making your soap and add extra water, the water will separate from the soap batter. Add water and stir very well for the soap batter and the water to mix properly. After the soap batter are freed, you can then pour it into the soap mold for it to properly gel. You can see that the soap have gotten to a trace, so it's time to pour it into the mold. And allow it to dry for 24 hours before molding it. Pour the soap batter into the mold and allow it to dry. This is after 24 hours and we are about to mold our soap. You can see how smooth the soap looks. So we're about to cut it now. I'm going to use knife to cut it. But if you have soap cutter, your soap will come out beautiful. But with knife, the soap will not really come out that well. That's why I advise you can get a soap cutter that will help you cut your soap smoothly and in the same size.